umholi we-DA unxuse iqembu lakhe ukuthi lisebenzise ithuba elinikezwe ngabavoti abazwakalise ukungeleliseki nge-ANC.
Means that we need to campaign not based only on the ANC's failures, but what we as the Democratic Alliance can offer the voters of Gauteng.
Leli qembu selibeke amathemba alo kongumholi we-DA Gatuteng kanye nowabe eyimeya seTshwane uSoli Msimanga ukuze enze imizamo yokuchitha i-ANC emandleni.
It gives me great pleasure today to announce that the premier candidate that will lead our fight into this next election, that will lead each of you into battle every single day, that will be with you in the trenches, registering, bringing out the vote, selling the message, is none other than my good friend, your provincial leader, and our solid Democrat, Solly Msimanga.
Msimanga ke akachithanga isikhathi ulemkele ngezandla ezifudumele leli thuba wabe esesho inhlelo zakhe azozenza ukuletha uguquko kulesi sifundazwe.
We will be able to turn this province around. We will once again ensure that the dream of 1994 become a reality and not the nightmare that people find themselves living in right now.
Ngasekupheleni kwalonyaka i-DA izobe seyithula umqulu wayo wezethembiso zokhetho lwangonyaka ozayo.